Hello everybody, my name is Divyanshu Giri and I am here to help you with your English vocabulary. Now I am here just quoting few lines which I read somewhere. Knowledge is not rooted in the facts, it is rooted in the curiosity. We all are curious, your presence here indicates that you are curious enough. But why you are here? You are here to learn English vocabulary. Before we begin, I just want to tell you one thing. We will use a negative approach. Negative attracts positive. You all know, all science students know this. So, when you want to learn something, just learn the negative points that will come to you if you don't learn. So, I am just here telling you few negatives, then we will begin our study. The first thing is that all books these days are available in English language, and due to the surge in competition, numerous students competing for few posts, it is very difficult to compete with them by just studying easy books having simple words. You may have to consider foreign authors, and all those authors use very difficult words of English. Now, that doesn't make any sense that dealing with a foreign author book, you have to know the vocabulary. Many of you may say that we will refer to dictionary, but the problem is that best amount of study or best study is done when you are completely drowned in the book, and whenever you consult a dictionary it just causes a distraction from your work. If you are distracted, then to gain back that attention, that concentration is really very difficult. Also, English vocabulary is a part of many competitive exams. Now I will not take long time to just tell you the negatives. I just want to point out one problem which all of us have. That is the bad habit of delaying the things that we should do today. What happens to this habit is that days will pass, months will pass, years will pass, and then we will end up saying that we can't do anything to this problem of English vocabulary. But I just tell you one thing, that you can change a habit when you have a urge to change it. I just will tell you a short story. I was learning karate few years back. Now my coach and few students which were learning along with me. There was a student named Vijay. He was very aggressive. We all learned karate, but he was really very aggressive and he picked fight with strangers. This was a problem. My coach always tried to console him that you should not pick fights with strangers, but he was not willing to mend his ways. So my coach told only one thing, two lines, that you are at the verge of fighting when you are having an urge of fighting. So because you are viewing this video, you are at the verge of learning vocabulary because you have urge of learning vocabulary. Okay. Now, one more thing I want to tell you is that you will be having many friends. Most of them will be like those who delay the things. They buy the books and the books pile up in their racks one by one, and then at the time of exam, they end up studying notes of others. I want to tell you only one thing, that is, quit being the part of that majority who live in confusion and conflict, who never accomplish their work. Join the minority that sees a clear path out of present darkness, that never submits to fear and despair. And in this present day of competition, I will just convert a saying of Charles Darwin, a famous biologist, by just saying earlier it was like survival of the fittest. When we were not having proper residence, we have to deal with extreme conditions, medical facilities were insufficient. But in nowadays, the survival of wisest, I will say, only those people will survive the competition who are wise enough to take initiative and learn new things. Thank you.